Ma'am, this size of the sheet
Good
is okay now.
afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Please be on mute. Raise hand option है, उसी को क्लिक करना है. If anyone is having any query, raise hand option है, उसी को ही क्लिक करना है. Good afternoon, everyone. So today, are you all excited for the watercolor session?
Yes.
Show me a thumbs up. I am showing you all a thumbs up. You can't see me that I am showing you a thumbs up. Yes, Ojas, what were you saying?
Ma'am, I was saying that this size of sheet is okay now.
What is the size? A4, A3?
A4.
Ah, A4 is okay. A4 is okay. A3 is okay. Your drawing book is also okay.
One book.
Who is this? Kindly raise hand. Yes, Kushi.
मैम खुशी के पास वाटर कलर नहीं है, पोस्टर कलर यूज करेगा तो चलेगा क्या?
हाँ चलेगा चलेगा. Inika, why are you not raising hand? Yesterday also, bacha, you are doing that thing.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
Yes, खुशी चलेगा. Postal colors भी चलेगा. Yes, Inika.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Ma'am, ये वाली book चलेगी?
Yes, drawing book चलेगी. A4 size paper, A3 size paper या drawing book चलेगी. Now you all have to pin Ruchita Mohta that sheet. You all have to pin Ruchita Mohta. I don't want anyone to be unmute unnecessary. You have to raise icon, raise hand icon पे click करना है. If any query is there. I can see Inika. Any doubt? Yes, Jainam. Any doubt?
मैम A4 शीट में बॉर्डर डालना है क्या?
Just can you wait? I'm explaining now. And I want your camera to be on. I can't see you at all. In fact, I don't know your face also. Since day one, your camera is off. I need your camera to be on. Yes, you should not switch off the camera.
Ma'am,
Okay, Jainam?
I am present. Sorry for late. My classes was there of school.
Yes, it's okay. It's okay, Rusha. Any doubt anyone is having, please raise hand icon click करना. Yes, Palak?
Ma'am, can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yes, I'm waiting for 2 minutes because I'm letting in the kids. Kids are still joining. Yes, Jay, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Then why have you done the raise hand icon? There is an option lower hand. After you click raise hand and your query is finished, there is an option of lower hand.
Ma'am, lower hand नहीं है.
होता है बेटा, जहाँ रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन है ना, वही लोअर हैंड का ऑप्शन है.
ऐसा.
Yes. So all of you can pin my sheet Ruchita Mohta and keep.
Ma'am, can you wait for 1 minute? I'm not getting your voice.
You're not getting my voice. Is everyone able to hear me? Am I audible? From Ashita Mohta's screen, am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
audible?
We can hear you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, please be muted. Rusha, please check your internet connection. Yes, Paridi, okay. Rusha, check your internet connection then. Yes, so everyone keep Ruchita Mohta as pinned. Today, my drawing will be seen there only. Jainam, your camera should be on. Pratham, your camera should be on. Paridi Baheti, your camera should be on. Palak Sabu, Ojas Kuya, Vihang, Tanishka, all of you, I need the cameras on.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Who has asked?
Jainam.
Yes, Jainam, I can see you. ओके अभी अपने पेपर पे ऑयल पेस्टल के टाइम पे जैसे हमने बॉर्डर बनाया था वैसे बॉर्डर बना के रखना है. Draw the borders fast. I give you 2 minutes to draw the borders.
Ma'am, do we have to hold the paper in a standing way?
First you draw the borders.
We have to keep the paper in standing way or in a मैम मैम हमको ब्लैक स्केच पेन से करना है क्या बॉर्डर
Borders has to be done in pencil.
पेंसिल ओके मैम हमें पेपर को स्टैंडिंग पकड़ना है कि स्लीपिंग
बेटा आप या तो स्टैंडिंग पकड़ो या स्वीपिंग. बॉर्डर आपको तो चारों बाजू करनी है ना, तो पहले आई नीड एवरीवन टू डू द बॉर्डर्स. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू कि कैसे रखना है ड्राइंग के लिए. बॉर्डर तो आपको चारों बाजू करनी है. ये देखो टॉप बॉटम राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड. देन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू कि कैसे करनी है. ओके एम आई ऑडिबल फ्रॉम रुचिता मोहता स्क्रीन?
यस मैम
Show me a thumbs up, I will understand. Just show me a thumbs up, all of you, I will understand.
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेरी
Yes.
मैम मैं बोल रहा
You
था
have
कि
to draw.
हमें पेपर को सीधा रखना है क्या या स्लीपिंग वेज में बनाना है
ओके अभी मैंने यही निका को बोला कि आप चाहे पेपर को सीधा रखो चाहे पेपर को स्लिपिंग रखो, बॉर्डर आपको चारों बाजू बनानी है. आप पहले बॉर्डर बनाओ, सिर्फ इतना ही मेरा इंस्ट्रक्शन है अभी तक.
ओके मैम स्लीपिंग
हाँ.
से बनाए तो चलेगा नहीं
आप कैसे भी बनाओ ना, बॉर्डर तो चारों बाजू बनानी है बेटा. टॉप बॉटम लेफ्ट राइट. Whoever is unmute, please mute yourself. Yes, please wait for your friends to do. Please wait. Everyone's camera should be on. On your paper or on your drawing book, you have to draw the borders on all the four sides. I have given you 2 minutes to draw the borders.
Mama, I am done with the borders. I am also done with the borders.
What I told again and again, I have to repeat in each and every class. If you have done with the borders, just take quiet. Let your friends also complete. Okay? And if any doubt, kindly press the raise hand icon or you can write in the chat box. So after drawing the border, place the paper in the standing position.
Ma'am, can you wait for 1 minute?
Again, who told me to wait for 1 minute? I'm already waiting.
Yes, ma'am, you can start.
Rusha, you have to be ready by 3:55. Each and every one of you have to be ready by 3:55.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. I want you all to take your yellow color. Who has unmuted? Rusha? Rusha? Yes. I want you all to take your yellow color, lemon yellow color. In your lemon yellow color, you can mix only 1 pinch of orange.
Ma'am, is it okay we take a 3-number brush?
Whatsoever brush you are having, you can take. There is no compulsion on brush, whether it is flat, whether it is round. Yes, whether it is 3 number, whether it is 12 number. Okay.
Ma'am, what we should mix in lemon yellow?
A little, only 1 pinch of orange.
मैम लेमन येलो ही चाहिए ना?
Yes, we have to take lemon yellow color. Only a pinch of orange. Don't make your color more watery.
मैम येलो में ऑरेंज मिक्स करना है.
Yes, yellow में इतना सा 1 pinch. See, this is my yellow color. I have taken orange only this much. See. Don't make the color more watery. Okay. Now, don't make the color more watery. We want the entire paper
leaving the borders to be colored in yellow, but you have to keep coloring only in one direction. Okay? So whether standing is preferable to you or sleeping, that is your choice. The drawing जो बनेगा वो ऐसे बनेगा, but अभी मेरा ये ऐसा डिस्टेंस बहुत है, इसके लिए मैं ऐसे रख के कलर कर रही हूँ. Very slowly you have to go. I told you, beta, please listen to my instructions. Entire paper you have to color.
Excuse me,
yellow,
ma'am. I don't have
leaving the
orange color.
you don't have orange
Excuse
color.
me.
Mix yellow plus red. Yellow plus red will give you orange.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I use vermilion hue?
Why I'm saying you na mix yellow plus red.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. I don't want anybody unmuting unnecessary. Jai, especially you. Keep coloring. कलर सूखने को टाइम लगेगा. Shall we, Ojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. ये कलर आप लोग करो ऐसे स्लीपिंग में. मेरा कलर करके हो जाएगा. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू अबाउट दैट yesterday का वर्क एम्बिशन का जो मैंने बोला था आप लोगों को. Okay? Each and everyone who is remaining has to speak on that.
Ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
There are two people speaking without raising their hand. Nishchal, you are unmuted. Jai, again you are unmuted.
Excuse me, ma'am. Want to
Yes.
ask? I'm Jay's mom.
Yes.
Children need to color full page. This yellow.
Yes, I told to color full page. Only in one direction.
No, he is not aware. That's right.
I told him. I told the entire
Okay,
class
fine.
now. Ma'am. Jai, you have to color full page. See how am I doing? The same way, you have to color only in one direction and very patiently. You don't have to color in any hurry. Be very patient, kids, when you are coloring. Whether it is watercolors, whether it is acrylics, poster colors, whether it is wax crayons, or whether it is oil pastels. Only when are you in patience, when are you not in a hurry, that time your coloring is seen very nicely. जिस किसी का भी हो गया होगा कलरिंग सूखने देना. ओजस,
Yes, ma'am.
are you done, बच्चा?
No, ma'am, we are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Who has told yes, ma'am? Ojas, are you done? Charvi is doing, then are you done?
No, ma'am.
Why did you say yes then?
Ma'am, I am not done.
Who told me this? Come on, only a minute I give you more, Charvi and Ujas.
मैम आपने पूरा येलो कलर और ऑरेंज कलर मिक्स वाला ही पूरा पेपर पे किया है क्या?
Yes. तो ऑरेंज वाला जो इफेक्ट है वो हमको सिर्फ इतने ही पार्ट में दिखेगा मैम,
ओके, और ऑल
और बाकी
ओवर से
पूरा
पूरा
जगह हमको
येलो
येलो ही
कलर।
दिखेगा.
ओके ओके
Yes,
ओके
yes, yes. We are going to do a sunset background. So I have told you all to color it yellow. And we are just applying the watercolors and doing. We don't need anything to draw. So this will be a nice art you will be learning simply with colors. Not any pencil and erasers to draw. Take little bit of water when you are done with coloring. जहां जहां पे भी कलर की यूनिफॉर्मिटी नहीं आई है ना, लाइंस ब्रश का स्ट्रोक्स दिख रहा है, वहां पे यू कैन डू इट, बट अगेन इन द सेम डायरेक्शन एंड वेरी स्लोली. Once all are done, let your paper dry. ड्राई हो जाएगा ना पेपर, तो यू कैन रेज हैंड, आइकन क्लिक करना, देन स्टार्ट अहेड.
Teacher, ma'am, when I'm doing.
हाँ,
What, ma'am? What
I'm
happened, ma'am?
doing.
कौन बोल रहा है बच्चा?
Ma'am, जय मंत्री.
क्या हुआ?
मैं बोल रहा था कि मेरा हुआ नहीं है, आप रुको ना.
जय, मैं तो रुकी हूँ, मैंने थोड़ी ना आगे बढ़ाया कुछ भी बच्चा. मैंने सिर्फ ये बोला कि आप लोगों का कलरिंग हो जाएगा ना तो वो सूखने देना.
मैम आड़ा पेपर रख के भी कर सकते हैं ना, या खड़ा
आड़ा पेपर एज ऑफ नाउ आड़ा पेपर रख के आप कर सकते हो. मैं भी वैसे ही कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे यहाँ पे सीधे मैं करने जाऊंगी तो मेरे हाथ पे कलर लग जाएगा.
हाँ
हाँ,
तो मैंने
सिर्फ येलो
खुशी के
कलर करने
हिसाब
के
से,
लिए, हाँ सिर्फ
खुशी
येलो
के
कलर
हिसाब
करने
से
के
वो
लिए.
उसको आड़ा पेपर रखा है मैंने, चलेगा ना?
यस यस चलेगा, बट आगे का ड्राइंग सूखने के बाद ना हमको सीधा पेपर पे ड्रॉ करना है.
ओके ओके मैम.
हाँ. सो नाउ द डार्कर पार्ट, जहाँ पे मैंने स्टार्ट किया था करना, दैट विल बी टॉप, क्योंकि वही पार्ट में हमको वो मिक्स्ड ऑरेंज कलर दिख रहा है. सी, यू ऑल कैन सी कि ये थोड़ा ऑरेंजिश दिख रहा है, ये पूरा येलो दिख रहा है.
Can you see my? I've done.
Don't just lift your paper. Is your paper dried?
Okay, ma'am.
Is your paper dried? पेपर ड्राई हो गया है?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, तो पेपर ड्राई नहीं हुआ है तो आपको पेपर उठाना नहीं है. Don't just lift your paper when it is wet. You will be spoiling your hands and spoiling the entire paper. Yes, Ojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Ojas, say me what is your ambition and say
I
the
will
two lines about that.
be a doctor.
Yes.
I will be help the people from recover illness
Okay.
and
And okay, Charvi.
I want to save people life and
Charvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Charvi, you say.
Good morning, everyone. I want to
It is
become
good
a
afternoon,
fashion
bachcha.
designer.
It is good afternoon.
Sorry, ma'am, I forgot.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. And
Yes.
I want to become fashion designer. And I like to design my dresses. And I would give them free those who are not able to take the dresses.
thank you.
I
Thank
would
you,
give
ma'am.
them.
I would like to give them free who are not able to afford the dresses.
Okay, very good, very good. Now,
Thank you,
Pariti
ma'am.
Badada.
Ma'am,
Don't lift your paper, बच्चा वो सूखा नहीं होगा अभी तक. Pariti Badada.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I also want to become a fashion designer when I
Wait. First, see, you are big kids. How are you starting your conversation? How are you starting your conversation? You have to say your
Oh,
name.
sorry. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Paridhi Vadada and I want to become a fashion designer when I grow up. I will design beautiful dresses which people will love to wear. Thank you.
Very good, very good. Now, I would like to call Pratham. Pratham,
Ma'am, I am not prepared.
what?
Ma'am, I am not prepared.
You still need more days to prepare. 1 day extra you got, Pratham.
Ma'am, yesterday actually net was not working.
What? I'm not able to hear you properly. Can you please
Ma'am,
sit in a good
yesterday.
internet range? Can you please sit in a good internet range?
Ma'am,
Okay. Paridi Baheti. Paridi Baheti.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके अभी एक एक मिनट है परिधि, एक मिनट है। हाँ परिधि बोलो, यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अबाउट योर एम्बिशन।
I want to be a teacher when I grow up.
Why you want to become a teacher?
Because I want to teach kids. Because I want to teach kids.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. So now is everyone's paper dry? Show me a thumbs up if yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting then. Now I want Agam Vede. Agam,
Good morning. Good evening. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Agam Bede. I want to become an astronaut because I love to see the space.
very good Agam. Anything more you want to say?
No.
Okay, very good. Aditya Rathi.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aditya Rathi. I want to become a businessman, earn lot of money, and help poor people.
Very good. Vivan Toshniwal. Is Vivan here?
No, ma'am, he is not attending.
Yes, Vivan is not here.
Ma'am, he have a fracture in his head.
Kinjal Rathi.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your camera, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your camera, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
I am not.
पूरा बीच में हो।
Thank you, ma'am. मेरा कैमरा ऑन है मैम। मैम मेरा कैमरा
Your voice is not coming properly. Kinjal, your voice is not coming properly. Kinjal,
क्या मैम? क्या मैम?
there is a network congestion at your side, Kinjal. Okay, is everyone sheet dry?
Yes, ma'am. Can I show you?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
You
Almost.
don't need to say me that can you show me or not. If your sheet is dry, just hold it like this. My screen is on. I can see everyone's pic, whoever is showing me. Yes, Vihang, very good. Yes, Palak, very good. Yes, Aditya. You don't have to unmute and say it. That's what I'm saying.
Miss Om
Okay.
Andhari.
Yes, Om. Yes, Nishchal.
Thank you.
Miss, we will use brown after. Ma'am, my paper is black.
having a black sketch pen.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
all have a black sketch pen? So see, this is my top, this is my bottom. Now, on the left and on the right, you have to draw line like this.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Next.
See,
Next
two
क्या
lines,
करना है?
2 lines here. जय, अगर आप म्यूट करोगे तो आपको दिखेगा बच्चा मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. 2 lines here. और
Ma'am, black sketch pen है ना?
yes, जय, yes, black sketch pen से बच्चा. 2 lines here and again 2 lines here. थोड़ा लाइन थोड़ा सा स्लैंटिंग होगा तो भी चलेगा, बट ट्राई नॉट टू डू विथ स्केल. अगेन सेम.
ये तो चल ही नहीं रहा है.
2 lines here. Jay, please be on mute. Jay, be on mute. And again 2 lines here. Total we are drawing 8 lines like this. बीच में ज्यादा जगह है, ये साइड में थोड़ा कम है, ये साइड में थोड़ा कम है. Pick out your black color. Less of water, more of color.
Ma'am, can
Yes.
is this right? Color.
Yes, Palak.
Thank you.
Who has joined in the name of Snehalata Mundra?
Ma'am,
Mishti, is it you?
Mishti.
Yes. Okay. Now, very neatly, you have to color this.
Ma'am, do we have to color all the lines we have made?
Yes, you have to color all the lines in black, what we have made right now. Okay? So be very careful when you are coloring. It should not go outside. And sketch
Which color is this?
black.
Black.
स्केच पेन के ऊपर भी बार बार मत लगाना, वरना वो कलर फैल जाएगा.
Ma'am, what are we making?
That you will understand when you will complete this drawing, bacha. We are making a sunset view. Okay, Vivan. Vivan, are you there? Do it very slowly. Don't rush doing this. Just color it and let that color dry. Color it black. We are making a sunset view. Remember, use more of color and less of water. Otherwise, your paper will be watery if you use more of water. You can move your paper while coloring. You don't have to move yourself while you color. First, we took the yellow color. In that, we added a pinch of orange. And we colored the entire background in yellow. Then we made parallel lines, 8 lines, and now we are coloring black color to that. Kinjal, as you are done, adjust your mic and adjust your internet connection in such a way that we all are able to hear you, bacha, properly. Everyone, don't take much of water, very less of water. Otherwise, you will make your paper watery. Very less of water. We are coloring this with black color. If you are done, let your paper dry. Don't just unmute and say that you're done, you're done. And if your paper is dried, you can click onto the raise hand icon that your paper also has dried. The strips we have made should be thick like this, like I have done. You all can see my paper. This is the top of my paper, that is the bottom of my paper. So I'm coloring it in a reverse way now. Okay, once you are done, once your work is done with the black color, kindly let your color dry.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Is everyone able to hear Kinjal properly? Show me a thumbs up.
मेरा हो गया.
No. किंजल, आपका फोन में चालू है क्या बच्चा? गूगल मीट फोन पे चालू है? किंजल, 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 गूगल मीट फोन पे चालू है क्या?
Ma'am, anyone is not unmuted.
किंजल, okay. How many of you have done? Kindly show me thumbs up or raise hand icon click. Okay, Paridhi. Okay, Rusha. Tanishka, are you done? Bharvi, are you done? Okay, Sanvi. After this, सबका black sketch pen निकालना. Wait. आफ्टर यू आर डन विद दिस, सबका ब्लैक स्केच पेन निकाल के रेडी रखना. Yes, let it dry. Kushi, very good. Yes, let it dry. जिस किसी का भी ड्राइंग ड्राई हो गया है,
Ma'am, can you switch on your video? Okay, ma'am.
जिस किसी का भी ड्राइंग ड्राई हो गया है वो लोग रेज हैंड आइकन क्लिक करेंगे.
Ma'am, can you show me again?
Great, Inika.
Can you show me your drawing again? Two lines over here and two lines over here.
Who told right now that? I told you na, when while I was showing that the middle part should be a little more emptier and two lines on the either side. Total 4. Kinjan, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kinjan, say me. What you want to become when you grow up and why you want to become that, what you will do after you become that. Kinjal, put your camera on, bacha. Say, Kinjal, you are on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I want you to say me what you will become when you grow big.
बीच मैंने नहीं किया मैम.
हाँ,
मैंने नहीं ग्रो बीच किया.
बच्चा मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको बड़े होके क्या बनना है.
मुझे बड़े होके डॉक्टर बनना है।
ओके, क्यों बनना है? क्या बनोगे डॉक्टर? क्या करोगे डॉक्टर बन के?
क्या मैम?
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. सी, all of you, why I asked you yesterday, there was a acting activity, but I asked you that I want to know all of your ambition. Why I asked you, do you know? This is a very crucial time for you all kids. It starts from the schooling age. That what is your ambition? Suppose I heard many of them want to become a doctor. It is good. Some told me soldier, some told me fashion designer, some told me footballer, sportsman, traveler, space scientist, baker, then master chef, traveler, paleontologist, firefighter. Very nice to hear all these things. Now, why I asked this? Why I asked this? Did anything come to your mind? That why has ma'am only told to write about our ambition only? Why didn't she give something other topic? Anyone? Anyone is having the answer? Oh, please be muted. Oh, yes, yes. Now you can unmute and say, but only one phone to be unmuted.
Goal setting.
Yes. Why is goal setting important? Now, see, some people told me they want to become a doctor. So, right from today, you have to be so well versed. आप लोग patients लोगों से बात करोगे, आप लोग उनको treat करोगे. You have to be so open to each other that आपकी ये जो झिझक है, आपका ये जो hesitation है, ये निकल जाए. ये नहीं रहना चाहिए. See, please be muted.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please be muted. Oh yes, yes,
Excuse me.
yes, Kinjal.
मुझे बड़े होकर डॉक्टर बनकर सबको चेक करना है।
Yes, very good. वेरी गुड. आप लोग आपको डॉक्टर बन के सबको पेशेंट्स को ट्रीट करना है, वो अच्छे रहे या ना रहे, ये सब आप लोग डॉक्टर बन के करोगे. फिर फायर फाइटर्स हैं, बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स में फायर लग जाती है तो उसको बुझाने का काम करते हैं. देन फुटबॉलर्स, डॉक्टर्स, प्लीज बी ऑन म्यूट. बेकर, आप लोगों को केक खाने की इच्छा होती है. So here there are bakers also. Inika, please be on mute, bacha. Wait for 2 minutes. I'm saying something.
मैम मुझे बेकर बनना है।
Yes, please be on mute. So why I discuss these all things is whatever is your goal, you have to be very well prepared since your childhood. You have to be very much striving for your goal. बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करनी है और ये सिर्फ 10th के बाद नहीं होता है, ये सिर्फ 12th के बाद नहीं होता है. These all things are there since your childhood. You have to be so much ambitious since your childhood that नहीं, आपको डॉक्टर बनना है, आपको उसकी मेहनत बचपन से करनी है. आपको उसके बारे में रिसर्च स्टडी, आपके जो भी है, you have to read a lot and lot of books. You children are so much small. आप लोगों का 1 घंटा स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं होना चाहिए. What should be your 1 hour का फ्री टाइम? It should be reading. The more you read, the more your mind grows, the more you collect the knowledge. Reading can be on any topic, to the topic you are ambitious to any other topic also, what is going in and around the world in this pandemic especially. So this is a very golden chance to all of you kids that you all are at home and you all can do all these extracurricular activities whenever you are having time. There is no foundation to travel from your home to school. देयर इज नो सच कि अरे स्कूल बस आ रही है, टीचर ने ये सबमिशन बोला है, ये किया है, वो किया है, ये कोई फाउंडेशन नहीं है. So you all have to start preparing from today. We have many great examples in our Indian history also, like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi. We all have such good examples. Sachin Tendulkar, then some actor Lata Mangeshkar, then Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan. We have all such good on our Indian platforms who have strived since their childhood and now they are at success. So this was the reason why I took yesterday the topic that आपको अपना ambition ही बोलना है. Okay? So show me a thumbs up everyone. सबको समझ में आया? Show me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now I think सबका पेपर ड्राई हो चुका है. So you have to take your black sketch pen. See now, this is my top. This is the bottom. जैसा मैं कर रही हूँ वैसा ही करना. पेपर का आपको इतना पोर्शन छोड़ना है, हाफ से थोड़ी सी. This I fold becomes my half over here. Okay, you don't have to fold, you can see it from your hand only. हाफ से इतना और यहाँ से मुझे स्टार्ट करना है. I have to make this type of branches on both the sides. जैसे मैं बना रही हूँ आप लोग वैसे बना सकते हैं. ये आप स्केच पेन से ही करेंगे. इसमें don't take the watercolor because you people are still small. Watercolor वो proper brush के edges से नहीं आएगा.
Ma'am, I know how to do that.
हाँ, but now you have to do with watercolor only. Even if you are knowing, do it with sketch pen only. Don't do with watercolor.
Ma'am, 1 second, can you bring your paper closer?
See,
Okay.
okay? You have to make branches, but in this manner. See, my one tree is over. Okay? Wait. Yes?
मैम मेरे थोड़ा पास में हो गया है, मुझे जमेगा नहीं.
क्या नहीं जमेगा?
वो मेरा थोड़ा सा इसलिए पास में हो गया था.
क्या नहीं जमेगा? आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बच्चा प्रॉपरली.
पास में तो इसलिए मैं अभी क्या करूँ?
मैं ये बोल रही हूँ ना करने के लिए.
मेरा पास में हो गया है.
प्रॉपर लाइन कर ले.
पास में हो गया है.
ब्रश के करने तो स्टैंडिंग में पकड़.
ब्रांचेस के लिए जगह नहीं है.
जरा भी जगह नहीं है. कौन बोल रहा था ये मुझे?
वॉल्यूम प्लीज.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is Neha
कौन
Rathi
मुझे
here.
बोल रहा था? यस.
मैम वो किंजल ने ड्रॉ किया ना तो बन गया.
Jai, please be on mute. Wait, I'm talking to a parent. Jai, be on mute. Ma'am. Yes. Okay. इतना पास में हो गया है कोई बात नहीं. थोड़ा छोटा ब्रांचेस ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं.
थैंक यू.
थोड़ा छोटा बनाने को जमेगा ना किंजल?
ठीक है ना मैम, मैं उसको दिखाती हूँ.
हाँ.
Ma'am, you are not able to see your sheet properly.
What?
You are not able to see what you are doing and how to draw that. Students are not able to understand that. That's all. Please explain once.
मुझसे किसने पूछा था अभी? बिकॉज है ना बहुत सारे लोगों ने फिर से अनम्यूट कर लिया है, मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है मुझसे किसने पूछा था. यस,
Excuse
डू
me,
यू हैव एनी डाउट?
Excuse me,
सुनीता,
ma'am.
डू यू हैव एनी डाउट?
Ma'am, Usha,
Rusha, can't you please raise icon? Raise hand icon.
ये बनाना है तो
Who has unmuted? Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैम इसका भी करिए.
Who is saying me?
excuse me, ma'am. I'm Usha. After coloring this line, what we have to do?
पहले ये हम लोग ऐसे लाइंस बना रहे हैं, ये चारों इसमें होने चाहिए.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ये चारों इसमें करो.
मैम की भी कही.
Are you all able to see? Are you all able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone can unmute and say me a yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Yes, now no more people will unmute. I heard a yes. See now, these lines can be wavy also. No matter that it is straight के straight आना चाहिए ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ, branches है तो branches can be wavy. Okay. किंजल, मेरा भी थोड़ा छोटा आया है तो इट्स ओके. आप थोड़े छोटे छोटे ब्रांचेस ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं किंजल.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ,
Thank you.
वेलकम.
मैम आप थोड़ा अपना स्क्रीन जूम कर सकते हो.
किसने पूछा था उसको समझा?
यस मैम.
इतना ध्यान रखना खाली ब्रांचेस ये जो हम लोग छोड़ रहे हैं ना ऐसे एक दूसरे से मिलाना मत. हाँ? Now take your red watercolor
ma'am. Please wait.
Yes. Now this thing everyone has to see very much carefully. How am I doing? वैसे ही उन लोगों को करना है. सॉरी, वैसे ही आप लोगों को करना है. See now, from the back side of your brush, ये ब्रश है ऊपर का साइड, उसका नीचे का साइड रेड कलर में ऐसा करना. पानी एकदम ना के बराबर लेना. हाँ, ये रेड कलर में ऐसा डिप करना है. एंड देन जहां पे भी हमने ब्रांचेस का एंड किया है ना, वहां पे करना है. पानी एकदम ना के बराबर लेना. हाँ, there should not more of water, not at all water, I will say.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'm doing some and showing it to you all कि वो कैसा दिखेगा. Like this, from the back tip of your brush. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we do from back of the brush?
I'm saying that only, dear. Oh, from the back of the brush you have to do this. ब्रश का पीछे वाला साइड से ये करना है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, ब्रश के आगे वाले जिस साइड से हमने कलरिंग किया ना, ब्लैक और येलो, वो साइड से नहीं करना है. ब्रश के पीछे वाले साइड से करना है. यस, इनिका, आर यू हैविंग एनी डाउट? इनिका, Rusha, have you understood? Rusha? ये वाला पार्ट थोड़ा जल्दी सूखेगा नहीं, तो थोड़ा ध्यान से हाथ मत लगाना, क्योंकि हम लोग डायरेक्टली ये कलर कर रहे हैं. पानी एकदम ना के बराबर है. जो भी वाटर केक्स के साथ कर रहे हैं उनको थोड़ा 1 पिंच ऑफ वाटर लेना पड़ेगा, वरना आपका कलर ऐसे मिलेगा नहीं. मेरे पास ट्यूब कलर है, तो it is already wet, so I am not taking water.
मैम पूरे ट्रीज को हमें रेड करना है क्या? रेड बोल तो वो छोटे छोटे.
देखो, ब्रश के बैक साइड से ऐसा करना है. It should be done
हाँ,
from the back tip of your brush. कौन पूछ रहा था?
मैं बोल रहा था कि जो भी हमने ट्रीज बनाए उनके सब ब्रांचेस है, उनको पूरा रेड रेड करना है क्या? इतू छोटू छोटू.
हाँ, इतू छोटू छोटू रेड रेड करना है. ओके.
यस मैम.
यस.
Miss, which color?
Red color, बच्चा.
Okay, ma'am.
From the back side of your brush, पानी एकदम ना के बराबर लेना. Anyone who is using water cakes will have to take a pinch of water, and whoever is using poster watercolors or tube watercolors or normal watercolors, उनको जरूरत नहीं है पानी की. जो बच्चे लोग वाटर केक्स यूज कर रहे हैं उनको पानी का जरूरत लगेगा, बिकॉज वो पूरा सूखा होता है. जितना भी ब्रांचेस आपने बनाया है सब में ये ऐसा रेड डॉट्स आना चाहिए. Inika, are you understanding? Because I can't see you. Inika? Do it very patiently. Don't do it in a hurry. This is one of the technique of.
Ma'am, in our building there is 8 cases. 9 cases.
Where do you stay, Pada?
Yoginagar, ma'am.
Okay. Where does it come?
In Borivali.
Okay. Be safe. Don't move out at all.
मैम आप कहाँ से हो? मैम we are also quarantine. Means
Yes,
not
you have to be. You might be in the micro containment zone, na now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
आप कहाँ से हो?
मैं थाने से हूँ. It is
थाने
near to. It is near to Mumbai and Navi Mumbai.
मैम उधर कितने केसेस है?
है बेटा, केसेस तो बहुत है, but not here nearby. God forbid. It's good. किड्स ऑल्सो, आप लोग कोई भी नीचे जाओ मत. कोई भी जाता है खेलने के लिए तो जाओ मत. इट इज वेरी टू डेंजरस नाउ. Because earlier there was no symptoms to kids. Now there are many symptoms in kids.
Ma'am, 60% children are only having corona.
In your society?
No, ma'am, in full India.
Yes. So this is one of the technique to use the tip of the back tip of the brush to do your drawing. Whenever you want to show a scenic type of drawing, and whenever you are sitting for the watercolors, na, if possible, don't use more water. Whenever you use more water, na, then the paper will blot. Automatically, the color will spread, and it will tear too. Your paper will tear too. So always remember
Ma'am,
during the watercolors. Yes.
what is the next one?
Wait, Rusha. Rusha only, na? You only asked me, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please wait. Have you completed this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please wait. Others are still doing, na? I have to be with everyone.
Ma'am, I am done.
Who told me this?
What?
Who told me this? Those who have done can raise their hand
Ma'am,
to the computer.
my other class is there also. Can I leave?
What time your class is there, Rusha?
At 5:30.
5:30, na? There are still 10 minutes. Can you wait for 10 minutes?
Ma'am, I have to join 5 minutes before because it's scholarship class.
Okay, we'll do. Then you please see the video,
Okay, ma'am.
and complete the drawing, and then put a picture. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Welcome. Bye. Who all are done with this? Can please click on the raise hand icon. Okay, Sanvi. Okay, Jay.
Ma'am, how we have to raise our hand?
There is an option in your phone to raise hand. Who asked
I
me
can't
this?
see, ma'am.
Okay, have you done? Who is this?
Aditya.
Okay, Aditya, have you done?
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, please wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I
Who is this? Who is asking, bacha?
Vivan.
Okay, Vivan. Just be there for 2 minutes. I am showing after the red dots what has to be done.
Ma'am, I have done, but it is little wet.
हाँ ओके, हमको अभी पेपर के वो साइड में करना है, इसके लिए मैंने आप लोगों से पहले ये रेड डॉट्स ही करवाए.
Ma'am, what are you doing?
You can't see my drawing.
No, ma'am.
Pin Ruchita Mohta and clean.
Yes, ma'am. I am pinning Ruchita Mohta only.
Ma'am, please show this closer to camera.
Is everyone able to see the drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now I can see.
There might be some network congestion here. So, okay, now on your other side of the paper, Inika, where were you? I called you 2-3 times. You vanished.
What, ma'am?
I called you 2-3 times. Did you understand? टीचर आपको अशिका मोता पे दिखेगी और ड्राइंग आपको रुचिता मोता पे दिखेगा.
Ruchita ma'am.
There are many people talking. I can't hear. Now you have to draw from your brush straight green strips like this. Again water ना के बराबर. कोई और अनम्यूट है? Please be muted. Someone's parent is asking me something. Very less of water, more of color. Inika, you are okay on mute. Yes, Nishchal's mom, were you asking me something?
Ma'am, it is light green or dark green?
It is dark green.
Okay,
Connection get lost, so his drawing is incomplete.
Okay, so how much you have done now?
Ma'am, please show this closer.
Wait, ma'am, because my drawing is wet. Wait, ma'am. See.
Only that black lining. Okay, okay, no. Once you share the link,
You have to draw like this, like
this
grass.
only you are giving green with brush.
Yes, green color lines with the brush.
And these red dots are with the fingertip or with brush? Red tip.
No, these red dots are with the brush back tip. ब्रश का जो बैक साइड है ना, उससे निकाला है.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Actually, my connection got lost. So
You are not able to hear me properly, I suppose. In fact, even your voice is
actually
coming very
connection
much
नहीं था
low
मैम
to
थोड़ी
me.
देर, तो देख नहीं पाई इसलिए.
Okay, okay, no issues.
कनेक्टिविटी नहीं थी.
Okay, okay, no issues. ऐसे ग्रास जैसा बनाना है हमें.
Yeah. There is lot of network issues.
डार्क ग्रीन कलर ही लिया है क्या मैम पूरा?
हाँ, डार्क ग्रीन.
ओके.
Once you are done with this, you can take any three colors. I am taking orange, white, and pink. If you want, you also can take any these three colors: orange, white, and pink. Again, with the back tip of your brush, here you can show this rounds as flowers. If you want, you can take colors of your choice also here for the flowers. But you have to do this also with the back tip of your brush.
Ma'am, mine is little wet, so I will wait for 5 minutes.
Yes. Even if it is wet, you can do in this. Even mine is wet. You can do
Okay,
in this
ma'am.
because we are making only the flowers at the top and some in between. Again, when you are done with this, here in the middle, just take your finger, not anything, your finger, mix yellow and orange color with your finger, this finger, index finger. Then you can make a sun over here with your finger only. Again, this side is wet, so I am placing it here. And it's okay if my sun is going inside of, the ones which we did here. Once this sun will be dry, you can do again these.
Ma'am, please readjust the camera.
With your finger, you have to draw here the sun. It is okay if it is going in any of the petals over here. With your finger, you have to do with the index finger.
Ma'am, what combination you've used?
Yellow and orange. Then once it dries, you can again color that red. See, this is the complete drawing. All of you. When your entire drawing is
Ma'am,
dry,
can you show the drawing once again?
when the entire drawing is dry,
my drawing.
when the entire drawing is dry, you can make the borders through black sketch pen. Yes, who was showing me? See my drawing. Who was showing me?
मैम मैं बोल रहा था कि हमको बाद में ये भी करना है क्या बॉर्डर?
हाँ, सूखने के बाद.
ओके मैम करता हूँ.
Very good, Reyansh. Please unmute yourself and show Reyansh.
I'm done.
Very good.
Mama help me a bit.
Okay, very good. Who is this? Okay. Yes, Shania. Yes, Sanvi, very good. Yes, Sanvi, very good.
Ma'am, Vivan see.
Yes, Vivanshu. Very good, Vivan. Very good. Okay, are you all done?
Miss O Mandhari.
No, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Very good.
Miss, you saw O Mandari?
Yes, ma'am, I saw. Very good.
Thank you,
Inika,
ma'am.
you have done something wrong, Inika. You have done something wrong, Inika.
See my painting, madam. What you have done. See my painting, madam.
Yes, who is in the name of Francis Kunjura?
Barbie.
Yes, very good. Very good, Bharvi.
Thank you. मेरे पास white
Welcome, bacha. Yes, Kushi, very good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, Palak, show. I'm not able to see.
Ma'am, I'm not done. Ma'am, mine is done almost.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I leave now?
Inika, you have done something wrong. I want you to draw it like this and show it to me. Yes.
Can I leave now? I will draw it and click a picture and send it in the group. Can I leave now?
Okay.
Ma'am, has the class ended?
Yes, bacha, you can leave if you have done.
No.
Riyansh, you have completed, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
निश्चल
you.
आपका हो गया?
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye everyone.
मैम निश्चल कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं होने के बाद फोटो अपलोड कीजिए
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, see my drawing.
Yes.